Welcome to Alia's Food Diary. We are going to make this juicy and cheesy chicken burger. So let's start. First we'll make the cheese burst chicken patty. For that, into a blender add garlic cloves and ginger and blend. Until they look like this. Now add the boneless chicken pieces. Grind until the chicken is roughly minced. Time to add some flavor. Add some roughly chopped onions, coriander and mint leaves, and a lot of green chilies. If your chilies are really spicy, add 7 to 8 chilies. My chilies are not that spicy, so I am taking 12 green chilies. Now blend. If your chicken is stuck at the bottom of the blender, like mine is, push down the greens with a spoon. After everything is mixed and minced, add some black pepper, lemon juice, salt and chili flakes according to your heat tolerance and preference. Blend again. Let's make the chicken patties. Take a handful of the minced chicken. Put some grated mozzarella cheese in the middle. Now using your fingers, carefully form the patty. Dip the formed patty in the corn flour and water mixture. Be very careful here as the patty is really fragile. Now coat it with breadcrumbs and vermicelli. If you don't have vermicelli, just use the breadcrumbs. Now that all our patties are ready, let's fry them. Gently place the patties into the frying pan. These patties should be shallow fried. Flip them when you see this nice brown color. After frying the patties, we'll assemble the burgers. I have toasted the bottom half of the buns. Now I'm spreading a thick layer of mayonnaise, chipotle and tomato sauce. If you don't have chipotle, any chili sauce works here. Add the cheese-filled chicken patties. Put a cheese slice on top. A big round piece of onion and some lettuce. You can also use cabbage. Put on the top half of the bun and brush it generously with butter. To make sure that our burger stays in place, I'm inserting a toothpick in the middle of each burger. Now microwave it until the cheese slice melts. Our cheesy and juicy burgers are ready.